Hi, welcome back to Motech Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay. So, we've done a few Teslas, and I'm sure you're aware if you follow our vlogs, we do a lot of work with a company called Centurion Automotive. Please give them a follow because we keep doing cars like this for them. They sell them, they keep putting more cars our way. We didn't get a chance to do it before on this car. Jay was actually off, so you'll see some screen grabs now of the car on Centurion's website. So how Centurion tend to work is they'll buy some cars. If you've got something nice and you want to sell it, speak to them. And then they will basically put it up for sale. And if it doesn't really sell within maybe 1-2 weeks, something like that, I don't really get much interest, they'll give us a call and then we'll do something like this. So this is a Tesla Model 3 Performance. We've done the black one with them, that sold pretty quickly. I'll put the description for that vlog below. This looks amazing. So on the performance kit, they're slightly lower. So this is a Model Tesla 3S all-wheel drive car, really quick. If you're into electric cars, this is probably still the one to buy at the minute. There's billions of YouTube videos on how to do ludicrous launch control modes and whatever else. But anyway, so the wheels we put on this one, along with the Eibach springs, are the Judd 10.5 rears and 9 fronts in gloss black. On the red car, looks great. As you'd have probably seen in previous vlogs, red is probably my favourite colour. We've done some M140s in red and the 135Is. Just works so well with the gloss black parts. Colourcraft have de-chromed it, so it's the door handles and round by the windows. We've gone to satin black and put a gloss black spoiler and gloss black front onto it. Just amazing. Now, like I said, we've got a good working relationship with Centurion. The car behind you, which we're going to start doing another vlog on today, is a C63. So make sure you watch that one there because that's going to be a really good transformation. So let us know what you think of Teslas in general and of this one. Of course, if you're interested in buying it, it is available from Centurion. And one more plug, it is January, it's still very cold. Hoodies are in stock. Yet again, link to the shop down below. Any more information, please just ask. Thanks a lot.